I'm Kavita Chaudhary, a teacher in KV Ganeshkin. I teach classes from 1 to 5th and I teach English, Maths and Science, and I like teaching science
Do
especially.
you like the rainy season?
Yeah, of course, I think everybody likes it.
Why do you like it?
I like it, the first shower, the smell that comes out from the soil.
Yes, I've heard it. Even I love that and cherish that fragrance that we get from the hot soil when the first drops of rain fall onto the hot soil on the parched earth. You get a lovely smell. But scientifically, I think there's another reasoning.
Yeah, I read it somewhere that it is because of some bacteria present in the soil. It's due to some chemical reaction, and that is why the fragrance comes out.
Okay, Kavita, we're doing a project and we've asked children and old people and middle-aged people everything about the rain and why they like it and how they cherish it. You're a young bride and recently married. So
Yeah.
tell me, how is rain significant to you now at this stage of your life? Is there any specific importance you would give to it? Like if it rained, would you want to run away with your husband onto the hills and sing some songs?
No, I think going on hills will be dangerous in the rainy season.
Oh yes, it will be slippery.
Yeah, but it's like a refreshing after the so hot summer in India. It is, and nowadays it is getting hotter every year. So it's like a comfort,
It's very relaxing,
refreshing, and we enjoy after that long period of summers. It's really very refreshing.
Okay. Anything important about culture and rain that you could tell us about? Any songs or any festival that is celebrated in the rainy season? Which part of India do you belong to?
I belong to northern India.
And so, how is
Uttar
rain
Pradesh.
significant in Uttar Pradesh?
Never been there. I've seen people enjoying it, dancing in rain, and even I used to do it as a kid, and got scolding from my parents for that.
Why?
You'll get sick. Don't get wet for long hours.
Yes, but you definitely enjoy getting wet in the rain.
Yeah, I still do, but now as I've grown up, so it doesn't look proper. Acting like a kid and dancing in the rain.
Oh, but I would love to get wet in the rain. I mean, I wouldn't let age come in my way to enjoy the rain. You had restrictions from your parents to go into the rain.
Yeah.
So, but you wanted to go always and get wet. So what did you do?
And I jumped on the first chance I ever got to get wet. I would make excuses, like I would tell Mama I'll go and sweep the terrace, pick up a sweep, and for long hours keep on sweeping and getting wet, enjoying it. And once I was riding bicycle around for half an hour in the rain, and everybody on the roads, street and roads and every place that I passed by, they were hiding under the shed and they were looking at me.
How you were boldly enjoying the rain.
I was enjoying it, and it was at around, I think I was doing my BSc second year. That time I did it.
So you were youth enjoying the rain, really. In the true
Tried
sense.
to find out excuses. I could have waited to go home till the rain stopped, but I did not. I took my bicycle, started.
Thank you so much, Kavita, for being
My
a part of
pleasure.
our project and sharing your views about the rain.